Never
I'm not 12. I have seen the internet before. Morning, George.
Morning, George. Everyone watching, welcome to the intro.
Designated.
Did you hit the isolator, mate?
Designated golf buggy pack.
Did you push the turbo timer?
Yeah, I did, yeah.
Yeah, sweet. Sweet. So, something exciting this week. Something different.
Yeah, so this is the mod that we were talking about.
You know, in the video that you watched yesterday, but we were going to show you a mod, but we never showed the mod. This is the mod. The mod's here, not up the top.
Well, technically, so this golf cart, this belongs to Jared. With the yellow S15, he brought it up and he's like, here, have my golf cart, do whatever you want with it. So it's already got a quad motor in it, like a 250 quad motor in it, so it's got a few berries. She's got a few berries in it, and then the brakes, it had brakes hooked up, but they didn't work at all, and we had a spare hydro laying around, so we got the Voodoo hydro, so we decided to slap that in there real quick.
Now be rude not to, like, it's pretty dangerous, no brakes on like basically a quad. It
doesn't lock up the rear wheels on concrete. I reckon we should be fine on dirt. We might have to put a second caliper on there and then she'll lock up for sure. But
modification station.
Modification station. Some poor kid's like got his first drift car and
all he wants is a hydro, and we just screw one into a golf cart just to pull us up ever so mildly. We don't even lock up. Yeah, pretty much what our plan is with this is Sam and I were going to go get our handicaps in the next couple of days, and we're going to when's PGA on?
What's PGA even stand for?
What's PGA stand for?
Pro Golf Australia? Association. This pizza's going away.
Poorly given.
All right.
They're coming.
We'll do this, and then once we've done that, we'll come back to them. Because unless you want to cue a car pushing out Montage, George.
No, I don't think they'd want to.
I'd want to watch it, so, if I was them.
Why? I mean, it is some pretty sexy content when we're just like, it's all in the back. Start jump, stay fit.
No.
Why not?
I just don't reckon they do.
I know, because they're fish, bro. This one time a copper tried to defect me for having a headlight in.
Sorry.
No, you're alright.
I'll tell the story. Cop. So we got Glen's Datsun 12. Get away.
Smell it.
No.
It's yours.
Smell me.
It's definitely you.
We got Glen's Datsun 1200 Ute into the shop. So.
That's pretty sick, eh?
It's that sick.
It's that sick.
That is sick.
That's
As you can see clearly in front of you here, we've got
a
Datsun 1200 Ute. Inside the engine bay of this Datsun 1200 Ute, we've got a CA18 conversion, and not just any CA18, a very flash one with
a capital C.
If there was like
hit me.
So if it was CA18, and you know how you put an umlaut on things, it's like a fancy one. Omelette.
This is an omelette. This is an omelette of a car.
So it'd be like a capital CA18. But this is actually a CA22. So this is a 2.2 Nitto stroked CA18 billet crank, all the good bits
and pieces.
Currently making 436. No, sorry. Dyno sheets 436 on 98.
I believe you're wrong again.
437. 437 on 98.
Let's get confirmation on that. What was it?
437.
0.9.
0.9. So almost 438. Yeah, so it's on E85 now. Don't have a dyno sheet for that, but generally you go to E85, you get somewhere sort of like 70 to 100-ish extra horsepower. So
couple of more berries.
500 horsepower mark, assuming it's on a similar boost level tune kind of deal. You know what I mean? Know what I'm saying? If I haven't turned it out. But anyway, so basically this basically, I don't know.
Obviously, it's a Datsun.
It's me saying basically, or me realizing that I'm saying basically and saying basically. You know what I'm saying?
So basically, what I was thinking of was...
obviously it's because you keep saying basically.
Yeah, obviously. So it's got a RB25 5-speed in it, which we are going to be ripping out. We're going to be putting in.
Pulling out, not ripping, mind you.
That on the ground there, George.
See that black box?
That's 2-speed, so that's Power Glide. Waiting on the bell housing from Delos. It's on its way. It should be here in about a week. So once that's here, we're going to put that in. But should be a nice quick turnaround on this one. Shouldn't be in the shop for too long, as long as we get all the parts that we need. Hopefully that bell housing turns up sooner rather than later. That's what we'll be doing with the Datsun while it's here.
With that sick Datsun. That's just what we needed.
What?
Ready to go to work, bruz.
Oh yeah, we got the tools.
Need that.
This isn't really.
Okay, I'll take it.
Yeah, that feels more like what I'm used to working with.
Like I could run through some.
No, it's more realistic, I think. That you have.
Like this is a
big hammer.
And yours is like a little boy.
Like a little claw hammer.
Mine would be like a mallet with where the head falls off.
We're going to get cracking into that shortly.
That's a big
We're going to finish off the GTR first, then the Datto's going to go on the hoist and we'll start pulling it apart. So stay tuned for that. Check that out, George. Check that out. Oh!
That there is sick.
They just keep falling for it, don't they?
Did you get him?
Yeah.
Stop.
Nah, seriously, you can film it now. Film it now.
Wait, see the exhaust it's got too?
Yeah, it's pretty sick, eh? It is.
Are you ready? Wouldn't read about it. We've finally finished up on this side of the car. Got all its inner tubs put in, filled up, and did some rust repair down here because R32 stuffs. And I'm about to go over to the driver's side now and keep doing what I've been doing. But I haven't done it yet. So when George comes back, you'll be able to see when I've done it. You'll be able to have a look after I'm done. Because I'm about to do it. Now. Come watch. Tune in. We don't have any sticker. Welcome back. Finally finished up the driver's side. Put a couple of hours into it today.
You've already said this.
No. We did the passenger side. We haven't done this side yet until now.
Welcome back.
Now we've done the driver's side. Well, pretty much. Buttoned it all up. Just got to finish grinding down a bit of high points. Grind down some high points. We just got to get rid of some high points. Knock them off. Knock the head off them. Yeah. Driver's side's now done. Took a bit. Like that. It's in. So now we're pretty much gonna put it all in primer, leave it at that, and then we're gonna make our way to the front of the car and continue on the front. Put the banner up. Doing God's work out here. You know, SR20.
Wow, why don't you just copy?
You. Got some tubs. Got some tubs in here for the S15. They finally rocked up in the mail today. Looking schmicky mickey. Who paying for more? That build my. Anyway, got some tubs. Now that I've done that side, I'm going to move on to the front side. If you want to watch me do the front side of it all. Sorry. Need my chair, George. Watch this trick. See that? Yeah, I skate.
Mine's not that big.
Got him.
It's more of just like a...
Oh. Sometimes you just got to tuck it back in there.
There's nothing to be tucked, my boy.
Tuck and roll, bud. Tuck and roll. Nip tuck. Get myself on that nip. Ow! That hurt.
My back. Don't sit on me.
I'm helping you.
Stretching my back. Oh. While George was away yesterday, I got the GTR all finished and buttoned up. So it is ready for...
Where's the buttons?
The buttons. Theoretically, it's ready for a tune. I'm just putting the boot back together, and I've just pulled out the cage, and we're swapping some coilovers and stuff like that. So there's still little bits to be done, but the actual drive line of the car is ready to be tuned. So we got the Mick from Edge Performance and Mechanical came over yesterday afternoon, and we got a base map loaded into the Haltech Elite 2500 that we put in it. Got it all adjusted for the trigger kits and the new coils and the new injectors and all that sort of business. The bee's knees. And got it running, got it started, so it's purring like a kitten, ready to be driven over to the dyno and tuned. We're just waiting for that to occur whenever they're ready for it. We're in no rush to get it tuned. We're going to just
poke along
steady, and we'll get there.
Poke along steady.
That's that. I'm just putting the boot back together is all I'm really doing at the moment, and then once that's done, we're going to do some Cadillac things, or I'm going to do some Cadillac things.
What are you doing?
Get it going.
Yeah, good idea.
Get it up. That's it.
That is it.
So yeah, tune's coming next for this thing. About to put some coilovers in it. You might see that. Swap some coilovers. There's some very fancy remote reservoir coils.
Yeah,
that were the original ones in this car. They put MCAs in it, so we're going to take them back out and put the original remote reservoir ones back in. So you might see that, you might not. If you don't, sorry. If you do, you're welcome. And then it's on for a tune.
Yeah.
What'd you do?
Don't look too closely yet, George. You might see a secret. While George is away, I did. You were busy. I have started working on the front end of the car on this Pandem kit. Front guard's been cut out to suit the over fender wider body. Still got a bit of cutting down here on the front bar to do at the moment. Pretty much just filling in all the cavities where debris can go. So did a sneaky little loom tucker-upper. That's exactly what I'm going to label them when I sell it, actually. Tucker-uppers.
Just to go with you.
I'm sure in the next one you'll be able to see more progress, so make sure you stay tuned in for the next one, not this one. No, you can watch this one too, because it's like stage 2 progress.
George will do something with it.
Yeah.
Went to George.
He will. Do magic. Make magic work. If you have a look down here, you can see what we've added on down. Oh no. Gotcha. Anyway, we're signing off. Thanks for tuning in. You know the deal. What's the deal?
Don't know. Like, comment, and subscribe. We're almost at 800, which means we're almost at 900, which is basically 1,000.
So hurry up and get us there. This packet of jelly beans is on the line for the 1,000th.
Wasn't it for whoever guessed your favourite colour?
No.
Anyway, whatever.
Yeah.
See ya.
Okay.